Sometimes I wait 4 to 5 hours before eating, and I like to give my stomach a break every now and then. How about yourself? Did you have your lunch? Did you have your dinner?
Already in the night, late night, 9:32 p.m. So,
Do you always eat Chinese food, or do you like to eat food from other places too?
of course, I'm Chinese, so I always have Chinese food and cooking by myself.
What do you usually eat at night
Night, for dinner or in late night?
for dinner?
For dinner, tonight I cooked a fish.
Fish and noodles, right?
Fish with rice, cabbage. And sometimes I cook some kind of steamed duck with pickles. Very delicious. And sometimes I also can cook some clam or crawfish, other kinds of fish or chicken, beef.
Are
So
you a big fan of seafood?
yeah, I think so. So I'm really good at cooking clam. It's very
I
delicious.
I don't eat clams often, but I heard they're very tasty and they're very beneficial for your health.
Yes, of course. So I think you should try. Do you really cooking by yourself?
I do not know how to cook.
Really?
That's not funny. Why are you laughing at me, Chili?
I'm not fan to you. I'm just feel jealous. You are so happy and so lucky. You don't need cook by yourself because in this society, sounds like if a woman not good at cooking or don't like cooking, sounds like that will be guilty. So I'm feel jealous.